Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Duo Kimberlite. Today we're going to have a second video on international scholarship, the WMG Excellence Scholarship United Kingdom for full-time MSc programs 2021. This is the scholarship has been sponsored by Warwick University of United Kingdom. WMG Excellence Scholarship, United Kingdom for full-time MSc program for year 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Art, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. It is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, SPPU, Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Yes. So here about this program, the WMG Excellence Scholarship, United Kingdom for full-time MSc program for year 2021, and the last date is 21st July 2021. The short time is there, but those who are there in the BSc second year or third year, or those who are there in the MSc first year, they can try for this particular scholarship. If you get this scholarship for your MSc program at the United Kingdom, that is the WMG Excellence at the University of Warwick, yes, that the 31st July 2021 is the last date, and the University of Warwick invites application for WMG Excellence Scholarship 2021 from the student commencing study on full-time MSc program. So here the scholarship is there for full-time MSc program within the WMG department at Warwick. Yes, now full-time MSc program, which are the programs are there? Yes, whether it is MSc, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Stat, we have to know exactly if this particular WMG Excellence Program, United Kingdom, which are the full-time MSc programs are there. So I have been just browsed for you from the university website, and all the whatever the courses which have been under list as postgraduate MSc that I have been uploaded. So you can get familiar with whether you can get this particular subject for your MSc. The first one, accounting and finance, that is MSc. Advanced clinical practice, that is PG certificate or PG diploma or MSc. Advanced clinical practice, this is again the MSc is there. Advanced mechanical engineering, that is MSc degree is there. Analytical and polymer science, it is MSc is there. Analytical sciences and instrumentation, MSc is there. Behavioral and data science, that is MSc. Behavioral and economic science, economics, that is MSc degree. Behavioral and economic science, MSc. Big data and digital futures, MSc. Biomedical engineering, MSc. Biotechnology, bioprocessing and business management, that is MSc. Business analytics, MSc. Business finance, that is MSc degree. Business with accounting and finance, MSc. Business with consulting, MSc. Business with marketing, MSc. Business with operation management, MSc. Chemistry with scientific writing, it is MSc. Clinical applications of psychology, it is MSc. And communications and information engineering, that is also a MSc degree. Computer science, it is MSc. Cyber security engineering, it is MSc degree. Cyber security management, it is MSc degree. Data analytics, that is MSc degree. E-business management, it is a MSc degree. Then economics, diploma plus MSc, that is the degree is there. Economics, that is MSc degree. Economics and international finance economics, that is MSc. Electrical power engineering, that is MSc. Engineering business management, that is MSc. Engineering business management, that is also up to the MSc is there. Environmental bioscience in changing climate. So MSc, those who are there in a geology as well as geography, for as a my subject, I can announce that these students can go for this particular topic. Then the finance is also MSc. Then finance and economics, that is also MSc. Food security is MSc. Global central banking and finance regulation, that is also the subject is there for the MSc. Health research, it is MSc. Healthcare operational management is MSc. Humanitarian engineering, it is MSc. Humanitarian engineering with management, it is MSc. Humanitarian engineering with sustainability, it is MSc. These are the subject for the geography as well as the engineering students. They can avail this facility. Then innovation and entrepreneurship, MSc. Intercultural communication for business and the professions, it is MSc. Interdisciplinary biomedical research, it is MSc. Interdisciplinary mathematics, that is the diploma plus MSc. Interdisciplinary mathematics, that is MSc. International business, that is MSc. Then the next one, international technology management is MSc. International trade strategy and operations, it is MSc. Management, it is MSc. Management for business excellence is MSc. Management of information systems and digital innovations, that is MSc. Manufacturing systems and manufacturing system engineering and management, that is MSc. Marketing and strategy, that is also MSc. And mathematics, that is a diploma plus MSc. Then pure mathematics, that is MSc. Mathematics finance, that is MSc. Mathematics of systems, that is MSc lead to PhD, that is also there. Medical biotechnology and business management, that is MSc. Molecular analytical science, that is MSc. Polymer chemistry, it is MSc. Polymer science, MSc. Program and project management is MSc. Psychological research, MSc. Psychotherapy and counseling, MSc. Scientific research and communication, it is MSc. Senior leadership development, that is MSc. Degree apprenticeship is there. Then service management and design, MSc. Smart, connected and autonomous vehicles, MSc. Social inequalities and research method, MSc. Statistics, it is MSc. Supply chain and logistic management is MSc. Sustainable automotive electrification is MSc. Sustainable crop production and agronomy for the 21st century, it is MSc. Sustainable energy technologies is MSc. Tunneling and underground space, MSc. So geologists can go for this particular topic now. Urban analytics and visualization, that is also a yes. Once we have gone through all the courses for the postgraduate courses which have been titled as MSc program. So right from we have seen first one medicines are there, then engineering branches are there, then arts, science, commerce, management, all the branches. Agriculture is also been added over there. So here in this particular university, especially all the branches have been there and they have been designed such a topic so that everyone can apply. So here the first you have to check the facts and figure from the website as well as the www.body for study scholarship program, so the scholarship portal, so that the facts and figure you have to check it out. I have prepared this video for just the awareness program. Yes, so for the awareness I mean made this one so that you can start generating, and those who are there in the first year or second year any graduation, they can plan now next 2 years or 3 years how you can excel your academics and what are the terms and conditions are there, so you can go for that particular scholarship. Those who are there comes in the final year, then you have to start making the process for applying the MSc program in this particular scholarship, and whatever the budget which is required for the lodging and boarding, yes, the food and accommodation is required, so you can manage within the last 2-3 years. So that has to be planned, has to be done, and this is the excellent scholarship. I think everyone has to go for. They have made a post-graduation degree as a MSc. So these are the list I have been given so that those who are looking for the MSc in United Kingdom, so this is the excellent opportunity is there, and the topic which has been given for the post graduation, and the scholarship will be WMG Excellence Scholarship United Kingdom, and this is a full-time MSc program, and that will be for the 2 years, and the last date is the 31st July 2021. Come to the next one. When you are going to apply for any scholarship, any university in out of the India, you can see now what will be the ranking is there. So this is the I have been taken out from the THE, that is the Times Higher Education 2021 ranking. I am giving you. That is the University of Warwick has retained its top 100 position of 77. So out of the 100, it is 77 overall in the world and 9th position in the UK. That is as per the Times Higher Education 2021 World University Ranking, published at midday on Wednesday, 2nd September 2020. Now, the complete 6-7 months has been gone. So there will be again updation is there. I'm going to give you again the update of this particular ranking now. Instead of 77 now, this particular university has come to the 61 rank in the world. The Warwick will rank 61st in the world's in the and 10th in the UK. So the number again from the 11th it has come down to the 10th. Top 10 for the highest earning. Yes, so top 10 for the highest earning. 5 years after graduating, Warwick graduate rank within the university UK top 10 for the highest earning in overall 11 subjects. See now, very important one. And this is now 8th in the UK now. The number again, it has been reduced in the next 2021. Yes, Warwick is ranked 8th in the UK as the Guardian 2021. So it has been upgraded now. Yes, the opportunities are excellent. So those who are interested, they can go for the scholarship. This scholarship aims to support the study of meritorious students. This will be for the meritorious student, and selected student will get £7,50,000. Now you can see the pounds. Now what will be? I think it will be 80 to 85 rupees is there for £1. But I have not been checked now, so you can check it out. So it is a huge amount is there, an excellent one. That's why I'm pick up this particular scholarship to make a first scholarship for the UK, the WMG Excellence Scholarship, United Kingdom for full-time MSc program. Now the very important one, what should be the eligibility for this particular scholarship? To be eligible, an applicant must hold an offer to study in our WMG full-time MSc course starting from the October 2021, have an excellent academic track record and or strong professional profile, be self-funded student only, and select student will receive £7,50,000, and those could not selected for this particular scholarship, they can apply for the other scholarship which are available in the university, so that can within the time frame they have to apply so that they can get the other scholarships also. Now all these data have been collected from www.buddyforstudy.com. Yes, so those who are interested, they can go to this website www.buddyforstudy.com, and this is what we have the portals, what we have the icon is there, and this is the list will be there, and one side there is a registration. You have to go to the registration, you have to make your own registration, and from there you have to go to the scholarship portal, and from that portal you have to go and applying all the details which have been required, and in addition you have to submit the application online, as well as you have to complete that process. And the selection criteria, what will be the selection criteria? Once you apply for the scholarship, the form will be scrutinized by the panel of WMG Excellence Scholarship, and the selected candidate will based on only on academic merit itself. Now, very important one, what are the terms and conditions for getting the scholarship? For conditional offer holder, scholarship award will also be conditional on achieving the awardee's final predicted grade. WMG Excellence Scholarship are paid towards tuition fee only and cannot be paid in cash or towards accommodation or maintenance of cost. So they will be totally will be given. This will be for tuition fees, and the rest one, the accommodation and food, have to be arranged. So this is a heavy one, but once you get it, this will be a very excellent university is there. And from once you come out from there, you will be a high salary job will be available in the UK. WMG will be award WMG Excellence Scholarship across all WMG full-time MSc program to optimize nationality and gender diversity. So here, optimize nationality and gender. So India is one of them. So I have been given now, in addition, which are the scholarships which are available. Those students who are not been selected for this scholarship, they can apply for the other scholarships also. The scholarship budget for this scholarship is limited. To maximize the chances of success, the applicant should submit his or her MSc application as early as possible. So they have to submit as early as possible their application for to get that particular scholarship. Now, other scholarship which are available for Indian students, that is Abu Khari undergraduate scholarship, but that will be for undergraduate one. Al Bukhari undergraduate scholarship, British Council scholarship for women, for that will be the same is there. Then Chevening scholarships that will be there. Then Commonwealth scholarship, Global Excellence of undergraduate, but that will be for undergraduate is there. The University of Warwick Great Scholarship in India 2021. So number one, two, it will not be available. So number three for the girls, number four, number five, and directly there will be number seven. So these are the scholarship will be there available for the full-time MSc program. So for the Indians, especially these are the scholarship which are there. This is the scholarships are taken from the Warwick University portal. So this is the authentic one, and most of the material I have been collected from www. What we have the buddyforstudy.com. So from there I got those who want to apply for this scholarship, they have to go to this particular portal, register over there, and you have to make the complete application. And if you want to contact, you can contact. The contact details also given. WNG International Manufacturing Center, University of Warwick, Coventry CV47AL, United Kingdom. Email wmg/ftm ftmasters@warwick.ac.uk. The phone number is +44 02476523691. These are the details. All these detail I am going to give you on the description. Those who are interested, they can go and take out all the details. I hope this is from my side. I have given the maximum chances to get this particular scholarship, but still the foods and accommodation, the expenses will be there. That will be roughly coming around 10 to 12 lakhs. So those who are having the planning that if you can manage that particular amount, you have to go for this particular scholarship. Your future will be a very bright if you get this scholarship, and if you get the admission here itself, and if you manage your own finances, that will be a very best. And if you find the admission over here, then we'll see the next one. You can contact me on the Pune College website. It is my contact number, email IDs are given. You can directly go to my Pune College website and find out the details. You can contact me. That will be the best one. So I can help you in the future also. Thank you. Have a nice day.